guys.
No one lives in the middle.
Next year.
It's all just desert.
Hopefully I'll come by. I'll go by Melbourne to say hi and just go back.
No one lives in the center.
So this is a video for you guys.
Nothing.
Not much. I mean, there's like some small
and
but
you know what?
not really.
You guys can go really far. I'm not kidding. And you guys are like brothers to me right now. I'm going to tattoo your name on my ass. Really? I'm going to tattoo all of you.
Yeah, it's hard to inhabit central cities because it's so far away from the main city. It's hard to get water, electricity, and all that out there. It's hard to get it out there because it's development, you know. So one day
Rockwick.
Rotwick.
Yeah, it'll eventually.
Is that his last name?
Yeah. Rotwick.
It's one of the newer countries.
Shivik Linsky.
Shivitz.
The government.
Shivik.
No, fucking just text me. And Barney. So yeah, hope to see you guys again.
Immigrants, like when
Which have a good evening.
and it's like, of course, they're worried about like infrastructure in 20, 30 years, but it's like, they can certainly live here now, it's fine.
Fuck yeah.
Oh, it goes back to the racism thing, just below the surface. Oh, I'm talking about Australia.
He hates Indian people, he hates Chinese people the most.
Where you are right now?
We're talking about the refugees and stuff.
And she's filming it, see?
Oh no.
Hado Hitler.
I have it on tape.
See what I did there?
I have it on tape.
Yes. Sorry guys, I love you all.
We bought this camera so that we could film video and shit. Before we left, when we were in the studio for this tour, then when we get back home, we'll film, making the single, and like recording the album to show everyone
what happened there.
Yeah, and then it'll be like a bunch of the documentary will be like the gear we use and like how we made the songs and you know what the writing process.
I wish we got footage of going to the hospital.
Yeah.
But like, it was so hard to think of something like that at that time.
Right.
I wish I was more on the balls.
6 in the morning, still drunk.
Oh, sure.
I wish I could. But you know, it would have felt real.
Yeah, it's
Mate, how's your pasta night, man? How's your pasta night?
Punjab.
Punjab, yes, Punjab. You guys are determined?
Yeah.